They paid for the name. We've got the Nissan, and we're taking that door switch out. See that? Now, I thought it was harder than it looks, but it's not. Look, I already started over here. It just pops right out with the proper tool. But this one is kind of flimsy. I didn't want to use anything hard, but you probably just grab the rest of it and work it with your fingers, because all it is just pop right up. So with both hands, which will make it easier, see, it is just a push. Now just be careful across the leather. It does look tight, but it'll come out towards you. Now, let's unplug by unplugging this one, and this little flimsy blue one, which I was looking at before. It just squeezes out. You push on it, and it pulls right out. So are these the part numbers in paper? What happens over time? I think it is. So if this doesn't come all in one piece, I'll show you how it takes apart. Take a screwdriver like this and go right in between this little crack and get these tabs up so it separates from the plastic, the actual trim panel. You see these little guys? That's what you want up out of your way. You see? That's starting to come around. Same on this side. You get the idea. 2 hands is easier. Yeah, I think they have these already. But that's what looks like separated from the trim. But if it was me, I'd paint this thing. Yeah. So, same thing. Let's see for the front. There you go. Snap it in place. Yeah, same thing in the front. Pull this little tab out, and this will pop right out. See? You get the idea. So those are part numbers. So, put it back. Obviously, assume we got it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. And thanks for watching.